Living together. First of all, let me tell you the meaning of together. Together means इकट्ठे. Together means इकट्ठे. Living together, इकट्ठे रहना. So nowadays you are living at home and you are living together with your families and with your parents as well, with your parents. So let's continue. Okay, take out page number 19 and let's read. Living together. People like to live together. We like to spend time with friends and family. We like to be with other people and talk to them. हाँ जी, हम क्या रहना पसंद करते हैं? दैट वी लव टू लिव टुगेदर. हम पसंद करते हैं इकट्ठे रहना. वी लाइक टू स्पेंड टाइम विद फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली. हम अपनी फ्रेंड्स के साथ और अपनी फैमिली के साथ जब टाइम गुजारते हैं, वी फील हैप्पी. सम रूल्स help us to live together happily. We cannot live alone happily. So we should live together, but there are some rules which we have to follow. If we follow the rules, then we live happily together. Because there are some problems when we are living together, then we are facing some problems. But if we follow some rules, then there is no issue. So look at this picture. They are celebrating birthday, and on your book there are also a picture, and they are celebrating birthday. So next is sharing. Next is sharing. Do you share things with others? Most of the time, you are sharing things with your family, with your sibling. Sibling means your brother and sister. So you are sharing things with your sibling, with your parents, with your cousins, with your friends, and with your cousins and with your friends. So here, do you share things with others? Yes. think of think of your family. Your parents do not eat all the food themselves. हाँ जी, आपके पेरेंट्स सारा फूड खुद तो नहीं खा जाते. they are they are sharing food with you, they are sharing time with you, they are sharing each and everything with you. They share it with the whole family. If you are, sometimes you are sleeping or sometimes you are not at home, so whatsoever your parents bring, they take your share and they take your part separately. And whenever you are at home, they give it to you and they share with the whole family. Sometimes when you are not present at home, your parents must put your share separately. So your parents are sharing food with you. They share food with you. Next is taking turns. Taking turns. Do taking turn. If many people want to use the same thing, they take turns. One uses the first, then next, and so on. Do you take turns? When? हाँ जी, turn means कि जब आप किसी चीज के लिए, when you are line up, जब आप किसी लाइन में खड़े होते हो और अपनी बारी का इंतजार करते हो, that is called taking turn. That is called taking turn. Do you remember when you were in school and when school were open? At that moment, you people were standing in a queue. You people are standing in a queue and taking a turn. Turn wise, teacher will call you and check your work, and turn wise, she's assigned you some work, and turn wise, each and everything she was giving you turn wise. So, and in games and other activities, you are waiting for your turn. See, in this picture, they all wait for their turn to play. If everyone say that they want to play at the same time, then there would be a great mess, and they are not playing peacefully. So students, children, each and every person should wait for his or her turn. In this way, they can they can do things peacefully. So taking turn is and the next is queuing. क्यू मीन्स लाइन में खड़े होना, किसी चीज के लिए कतार बनाना. यू सी इन योर लाइफ मेनी टाइम व्हेन यू go when your parents are going outside and for paying bill, and sometimes you go to the KFC and these type of KFC, and for some tickets you have to stand in a queue. A queuing is the line of people waiting. We wait in a queue when we want to buy railway ticket. We queue to enter a building or gate on a bus. We might have what might happen if people didn't queue. हाँ जी, अगर लोग लाइन ना बनाएं, then what will happen? क्या होगा अगर लोग लाइन नहीं बनाएंगे? देन पीपल विल पुश ईच अदर, एंड देन सम मस्ट फॉल डाउन, और कोई बहुत बड़ा मेस हो सकता है, बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों को ट्रबल हो सकता है. सो वी मस्ट व्हेन मोर पीपल आर देयर टू टेक वन थिंग, then they should line up, they should make a queue. They line up in a queue. They line up in queue on the stairs. ये सीढ़ियों पे खड़े हुए हैं क्यू में, ताकि आराम से जा सके. If they are not making a queue, then it will create a trouble for them. Next is feeling. When you are alone, you may feel sad or lonely. Alone means अकेले होना. When you are at home alone, जब आपके पास कोई नहीं होता, you may feel sad or lonely. कभी कभी आपको बहुत ज़्यादा आप you are feeling sad and you are feeling lonely. आपको अकेलापन महसूस हो रहा होता है. If someone is unkind, it might make you feel upset. If somebody is not behaving well with you, if somebody behaving rude with you, then you are feeling upset. When you are having fun or doing good things, you will probably feel happy. Okay, when you are with your friends, when you are with your cousins, when your parents are sharing good things with you, then you feel so happy. But if you get scolding, if your parents are rebuke you, or when your parents are angry with you, then you feel upset. And when you are home alone, you are nobody there, then you are feeling lonely. There are different kinds of feelings, I will tell you later. You will probably feel happy when you are having fun, when you are enjoying, when there is some good food, your favorite food is there, when when your friends and when your siblings behaving well with you, then you are feeling happy. We we have lot we have lots of different feelings. We all are having different kinds of feelings. And feeling is a state. कुछ भी जो हम महसूस करते हैं उसे हम कहते हैं, क्या कहते हैं उसे हम? फीलिंग. उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Okay, look at this picture on your book, page number 20. On your book, page number 20. Oh, oh no, they are fighting. What they are doing? They are fighting. They are fighting. Okay, let me read for you. Ali and Kashif were friends. Kashif had a kite and Ali wanted it too. Ali wanted it too. काशिफ के पास एक काइट थी and Ali wanted to. They both pulled and at the kite it tore. हाँ जी, उन दोनों के पास, किसके पास? अली एंड काशिफ वर फ्रेंड्स, वो दोनों फ्रेंड्स थे. काशिफ हैड अ काइट, काशिफ के पास एक काइट थी. अली वांटेड इट टू, अली भी वो काइट चाह रहा था कि उसके पास भी ये काइट हो. दे बोथ पुल्ड, उन दोनों ने वो खींची एंड इट टोर, और वो क्या हो गई? वो काइट फट गई. काशिफ वॉज एंग्री, काशिफ को बहुत गुस्सा आया बिकॉज काशिफ इट वॉज काशिफ काइट, काशिफ की काइट थी और अली ने उसको फाड़ दिया. वाई वॉज ही एंग्री? वॉज अली एंग्री टू? अली को भी एंग्री होना चाहिए था आपके ख्याल में. हाँ जी, अली भी एंग्री है बिकॉज when you are having friend, you must share your toys or your favorite food or fruits with your friends and with your cousins. कोई भी टॉय जब आपके पास होता है and your friends are there, your family is there, you must share with them. If they share, if they take turn, then this might not happen. Okay, in this chapter we learn how to live happily and together. Now let me tell you about feelings. Feelings. Some feelings some feelings like hunger means when you are feeling hungry, जब आपको भूख लगती है, hunger. Thirst, जब आपको प्यास लगती है. And tiredness, मतलब जब आपको बहुत ज़्यादा थकावट महसूस होती है. When you played a lot, जब आप बहुत खेल लेते हैं, then you are feeling tired, are felt by all. These type of feelings, we all are having these feelings, but other feelings are felt by us at different times and for different reasons. कुछ फीलिंग्स ऐसी हैं जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, हंगर, भूख लगना, प्यास लगना. when you are doing lots of work, when you are played a lot, then you are feeling tired. ये सबके पास ये वाली फीलिंग्स होती हैं, but at different time we people are having different feelings. एंड फॉर डिफरेंट रीजन, कुछ वजूहात होती हैं. सम थिंग्स आर देयर बिहाइंड, देयर आर सम रीजन वी आर फीलिंग हैप्पीनेस. Sometimes when we get appreciation, when we get some gift or present, we are feeling happy. Pride, pride when someone buck up you, when someone admires you, when you achieve something, then you are feeling pride. Confident, when you are know something, when you are having knowledge, then you are feeling confident, आपको अपने ऊपर एतमाद होता है. And sympathy, sympathy means अगर आपके फ्रेंड को कोई चोट लग गई है, then you are feeling sad for your friends. This is called sympathy. अगर आपको किसी इंसान के लिए, अब फॉर एग्जाम्पल देर आर सम birds who's hurt, that bird वो hurt हुआ है, या फिर कोई इंसान है, दैट पर्सन मीट सम एक्सीडेंट और किसी के साथ कुछ गलत हुआ है, एंड यू आर ऑल्सो फीलिंग सॉरी फॉर दैट पर्सन, आपको उस इंसान के लिए दुख हो रहा है, then this feeling is called sympathy. This feeling is called sympathy. Are positive feelings, they are positive feelings. ये क्या है? Positive feelings हैं. We sadness, आपको कभी sometimes you are feeling low, that is called sadness. Anger, all know anger because because nowadays you are at home and you are behaving like an angry bird. Okay. And jealous, when somebody is having something interesting or something good, then you are feeling jealous, you want the same thing. This is called jealousy. हमें किसी के पास कोई चीज़ देख के we really want to take that thing. हमें ये नहीं पता कि that how that person get that thing, but we are feeling jealous. Jealousy is very bad feeling, are negative feelings. पहले मैंने आपको बताया some positive feelings, and then now I'm telling you about some negative feeling. We should try to overcome our negative feeling. It will make us and everything around us more pleasant. If you are not feeling angry, अगर आप गुस्सा नहीं करेंगे, jealous नहीं करेंगे और अपने ऊपर कंट्रोल करेंगे, सेल्फ कंट्रोल करेंगे, then you are overcome on all these negative feelings, and you are feeling positive, happy, and then you make your surrounding more pleasant. Now, let me give you quick recap what what we have studied in this chapter. Quick review of the chapter living together. Some rules to live together. When I told you, when most of the people are living together,
Stop recording.
this creating problem and disturbance. But there are some rules. If we follow these rules, then sharing food and time with the kids. See, their their parents are our parents are sharing each and everything with us. Our parents sharing their time, their energies, their each and everything with us. And see, they are watching TV and they are spending time together. Then I told you about taking turn. Taking turn means do something one after the other. To do something one after the other. किसी भी चीज़ के लिए जब आप इंतज़ार करते हैं, अपनी बारी का इंतज़ार करते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड टेकिंग टर्न्स. आई कैन शेयर एंड टेक टर्न. ये देखेंगे, इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं और अपने व्हेन देयर टर्न, one by one they will take turn. Now, feelings. How do you feel today? Happy, sad, angry, scared means डर जाना किसी चीज़ से, silly, silly मतलब कुछ भी मतलब sometimes you are just doing things randomly without any purpose, that is called silly. Excited when you are very something's giving you uh, like if if when you are watching your favorite cartoons, favorite things, and when there is some your favorite toys there, then you are getting excited, surprised when someone is there, when something is there, and you are not accepted that thing and that person, that giving you surprise. Shy means जब आपको कोई शर्म सी महसूस हो रही होती है किसी चीज़ से. Embarrassed mean किसी चीज़ पे आपको बहुत ज़्यादा गिल्टी फील होता है, बुरा फील होता है, that is called embarrassed. Then feeling, feelings mean an emotion state. Do you know how many types of feelings? Every human is having 27 to 30 emotions. इस 27 से लेके 30 इमोशंस होते हैं. हर इंसान के अंदर इस किस्म की फीलिंग्स होती हैं. हैप्पी, समटाइम्स वी आर फीलिंग हैप्पी, एंग्री, वर्ड, कभी कभी आप परेशान हो जाते हैं, एक्साइटेड, किसी चीज़ को लेके बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हो जाना, खुश हो जाना, टायर्ड व्हेन यू आर वेरी फीलिंग लो, थके थके महसूस करते हैं, एंड सैड. दीज आर द फीलिंग एवरी ह्यूमन हैविंग. ओके. Okay, then last is, look at this. Fighting is a bad habit. Fighting is a very bad habit. When you fight, you are creating a very bad atmosphere at home. Nowadays, you are home, and most of the time, students and children get upset and they get aggressive and they start fight. And fighting is a very bad habit. I hope that chapter is very interesting for you, and in this chapter you learn thinks how to live happily and how to live happily together. Now I will give you a time to ask me questions and I stop sharing my screen. Hope is it clear to you? Your concept